Hi, this is Noah from Health and Balance, and I'm going to show you one easy trick to fix hunched shoulders. When we're at work, when we're studying, when we're doing all of these things, our shoulders are forward. When we're working, cooking, washing dishes, any of that. So we don't get any of this going backwards. This is an easy trick. I want you to do it one time a day in the morning. What you want to do is have your hands out, your thumbs rotated outwards so that your shoulders roll backwards. Once you're here, you pull, bring the TheraBand down right below your chest, and you'll go 10 times. When you're done with that, you can go up here, top to bottom, 10 times, and bottom to up, 10 times. And that's your one easy trick.